like to thank this organization, Bala Janagraha, for giving us an opportunity to display our views and concerns about the city and society through this civic project. My thanks to Bala Janagraha facilitators, Manjula Ma'am and Gayatri Ma'am, as well as my class teacher, Shilpa Ma'am. A few years ago, Vidyavanapura was a quiet, green and clean city with playgrounds for children to play and enjoy. Traffic was orderly. Today it is very busy, a lot of new buildings, a lot of traffic jams and a lot of pollution. Many places are not so clean. The city and the roads are not safe and clean. The government is working hard to improve the roads, water supply, sewage, electricity and so on. But it is not enough. So through this Bala Janagraha project, we are trying to help in solving the problems. In this civic project, we had surveyed the people's concerns to know their views and ideas to solve the problems. Now Manju will talk about objective and choice of study.
We have chosen the Tindlu Road and Saptagiri layout because even our school is located close to it. There are many students from our school who live in and around this place and commute to this road daily. There are many concerns about this road. Firstly, there is no footpath for pedestrians to walk. The road is wide and long but without traffic signals. There are no proper dustbin installed to throw the waste. Hence, the place around is very unhygienic. This gets worse when it rains.
Now DM Karthik will elaborate on data collection.
Data collection. There are lots of issues and concerns that people are going through in this locality. We feel privileged to address these issues on behalf of them. Tindlu Road Bridge is under construction since 8 months, but still no signs of people working on it or of its completion. The sewage pipes and water pipes that below the road are broken, making the clean water contaminated. Because of this, residents are getting prone to water contaminated diseases. Thank you.
Now Prakash will talk about the positive aspects of the road.
The Tindlu Road is interconnected from Yelanka, Vidyaranipura, Shakanagar and Hebal. The length of the road is 4.500 meters approximately. The breadth of the road is 9 meters. Schools are located on these roads. There is a Bescom office, a flour mill in this road, temples, many provision stores, fancy stores, government hospitals, cinema hall, pharmacy and many other such important buildings. There is also a railway track passing through this road. As there is no proper parking places, the commercial shops have no business time.
Don't go back. Stand here.
Now we will have Jagdish to talk about the negative aspects.
There are no parks for children. The parks are not maintained properly. The road is not tarred, hence muddy and filled with potholes. The rainwater gets locked. There is no proper footpaths. There is lot of garbage thrown around the place. There are many rats and dogs feeding on garbage, making it unsafe for children and others to walk on the road. Thank you.
Now we will have a skit.
We are from the Bala Janagraha project. Our school name is Joy School. We are about problems. Indian Sayara, Ningela, Indian problems ಇದೆ. Road ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು, ಆದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳ ಕಾಟ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಲೈಟ್ಸು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ಆನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೊತ್ತು ಆಫ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬ ಇವಾಗ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಬೇರೆ ಕಟ್ತಾವ್ರೆ. ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಕಟ್ತಾವ್ರೆ. ಅದು ಇನ್ನು 8 ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಅದು ಮುಗ್ದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ನು. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ತುಂಬ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಓಡಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಡಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕ್ರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೇಕರಿ ಐಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ತಿಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ವಾಮಿಟಿಂಗು ಆ ಥರ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಟಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ರೋಡ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಫುಲ್ಲು ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ರೋಡ್ನ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಹಲೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಾವು ಜಾಯ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಬಾಲಾಜಿ ನಗರ ಅಂತ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾವು ಕೈಲಾದಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಿಮಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಡಿ ಹೋಗೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂಗಡಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ತಗೊಬೇಕಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗಾಡಿ ನಿಲ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಗನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಗಾಡಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಡಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಜಾಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಧೂಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ಏನಾದ್ರು ಅದು ಸೊಳ್ಳೆಗಳು ನೊಣಗಳು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದರೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹಂಗೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
This was a skit about when we took the interviews to people. Now we will have a song by expressing the problems.
ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ರೋಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಇತ್ತು ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ, ಅರ್ಧ ಟ್ಯಾಂಕು ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಬೈಕಿನಲ್ಲಿ, ಸ್ಕಿಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೆ ಹಳ್ಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳ್ಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಳ್ಳದಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಂಡು ಕಂಡು ಬಿದ್ದಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಹಳ್ಳದಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊಳ್ಳೆ ಬಂದು ಕಚ್ಚಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಮೈನಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಂದಂಗಾಯ್ತು ಮೈನಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವನು ಸೇರ್ದ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲಲ್ಲಿ.
The problems of the road will be explained by Karthik T.S.
As the road is not tarred, the vehicle passing through create the standard. Hence, the fruit vendors and vegetable vendors are getting affected. In turn, people consuming these fruits and vegetables are prone to sickness. The roads are dug for various reasons, but they are not closed after the work is done. Hence, the garbage vans do not come to doorstep or even nearby to the houses to collect waste. Because of this, the people throw garbages on the road, inviting more epidemic diseases. The cable wires hanging low are very dangerous for people walking on the road. As there is no street lights and our wires are not prepared, it is very dangerous for people walking in the dark. Thank you.
We now have Vishnu to talk about the solutions for the problems.
The solution for the problems. Regular maintenance of the road is required. Immediate replacement of the broken sewage and water pipe with new ones is required. Prevention of stagnation of water in open spaces needs to be drained out. This will prevent breeding of mosquitoes. Lamp posts have to be placed in all the streets and care should be taken to replace the fuse lamps. Footpaths need to be constructed on the either side of the road for the convenience of the pedestrians. Adequate space have to be allocated for the construction of parking lots. All the roads need to be tarred to prevent becoming of muddy. The corporation BBMP must ensure that garbage vans visit the locality on the daily basis to collect the garbage from the residents. Cable operators, telephone companies, etc. must set the right angle cable wires. Corporation should not give permission to construct the tower in residential area. Thank you.
We will now have Rakshit who will summarize the project.
The key activities undertaken by our team members are to understand the problems and to identify the solutions. We spoke to some of the residents of the road. We even spoke to the shopkeepers nearby. We measured the road and identified a better design to solve the problems. The questionnaire consists of name, profession, the problem faced by them, How do they want the road to be? What is their idea of urban planning? Their opinion about the road? How would they make the change? How do they see Bangalore in 5 years from now? Thank you.
This is our future project. Here we have the toilet for the outsiders who travel.
Let us point out, no, na.
Here's the water supply. We have 2 houses, school for children to get education. Here's the school bus, then medical store and clinic. Footpath only 1 meter. Parking 2 meter. The width of the road is 5 meters. We have zebra crossing, pedestrians, and this is post office, shopping mall, temple, playground and park. Thank you.
You done? You done? Can I have the mic back?
Mic.
Anything is left? Slogans?
Better the roads, lesser the traffic jams. Brighter the roads are lit, lesser the crime.
First question. How come you have only one girl and all boys? By choice or this was done by the teacher?
No, ma'am, in our class less.
We made 2 groups, ma'am.
More girls.
So there are only 2 girls in your class?
No, ma'am. Five girls, ma'am.
5 girls. So the other 4 girls are not in the other team. So you like her being your captain?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
She is captain?
Manju
Manju
is our
and Haripla.
Yeah,
Vice captain and all.
so how much of work did she do? Did she do work?
Yes, ma'am.
Papa.
She wrote the writings, ma'am. We enrolled drawings.
Who went to measure the road?
Boys.
How much is the width of the road? What is the width of the road? Width. Allah is to road agla.
9 minutes.
9.
You are not clear, right? You explained to us that the footpath is 1 meter, parking is 2 meters, the travel lane is 5 meters. Just add up. Does it add up to 9?
15.
Oh, no.
2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So where are you getting the extra 2 meters from?
This is actually 5 meters.
Yeah, so if you add up your footpath, it is 1 meter, parking is 2 meters, 3 meters, your travel lane is 5 meters, 8 meters. On the other side again you have a parking of 2 meters, 10 meters, and your footpath is again 1 meter, so 11 meters. Your actual width of the road is 9 meters. So for a design to show 11 meters, where are you getting the remaining 2 meters from? Who is giving it to you? How many houses are you breaking down?
That we just reconstruct in future.
Yeah, but there has to be space for you to reconstruct in future, no? You cannot be saying, "Arey, go away, give me your house, I need to build my road, extend my road." You can't do that, no? So where are you getting the extra 2 meters from? Think. Think and answer. Ali, there
The road is actually barren land, so we just fulfilled it.
Is it barren across the entire length of the road?
No,
Then?
we took this just a part of it.
So is this between 2 junctions? This part that you have taken? Can you show in that? Where is this portion that you have shown? Bring that closer. In this, can you show the same portion on that map? So where is the barren land there?
That's not drawn it.
No, explain it. No, where is the barren land? Show us where it is.
It's over here.
Oh, your buildings are there, no? There are 3 buildings there. They're orange, pink, and purple,
But there have been left some space over there.
which are not shown.
Yes.
The existing road does not have footpaths.
No.
Does not have parking space.
No. It even doesn't have straight line. It has, but it's not on.
Miss, there is no slab also, miss, for the sewage.
So where is the sewage? Here, where have you shown the slab? Where is the slab for the
Ma'am,
sewage?
it comes from the floor.
Your footpath is on, your footpath